Unpack the battery module package, and there are some parts inside. APX 5.0P B1 battery and its accessories. The power interface of APX 5.0 B1 battery. Link ports for multiple battery packs in parallel communication. The battery positive terminals. The battery negative terminals. The USB terminal cover plates. Unpack the APX power module package, and there are some parts inside. APX HV power module and its accessories. The terminal interface of the power module. The battery positive, neutral, and negative terminals to the MOD-XH inverter. The inverter port to communicate with MOD-XH inverter. The battery port to communicate with APX 5.0 B1 battery. Battery module positive and negative terminals. The USB terminal cover plate. Power button. DC switch. The lower interfaces are intended for subsequent expansion and are not described in this installation video. The APX battery base is used for floor installation. Adjust the screws of the APX battery base to ensure it on the floor horizontally. Put the battery base on the floor where it's close to the wall. Pay attention to the orientation of the battery and do not place it in reverse. Stack one APX battery pack on the base, attaching the battery to the base with screws. Then stack the second APX battery pack. Finally, stack the power module. Install the safety part in the APX battery pack and also the power module pack. Then fasten the safety part to the wall. Pull up on the handle and then tighten the screw. Connect the metal connectors between battery packs. Make sure all the connectors on both sides of the APX battery are well connected. Remove all the dust-proof cover attached to the battery pack. Connect the ground cable between battery packs. Connect the positive and negative power cable in series between all the battery packs and power modules. Connect the communication cable from the battery module communication port of the power module to the linking communication port of the topper battery pack, and connect all of the battery packs one by one. Power and communication cables from the hybrid inverter need to go through the waterproof part. Connect the communication cable to the in port of the power module. Then connect the negative, positive, and neutral power cable to the corresponding terminals. Notice: please remember to connect the insert plug to the link-out communication port and the battery positive and negative terminal of the bottom battery pack. Please remember to connect the ground cable made by the installer from the whole APX battery system to the earth point. Place the side protection flaps over the side of all battery modules and power module. If the installation site has more than 4 pieces of battery module, the customer could consider installing APX battery in 2 lines. An extra APX 5.0P B1 parallel cable accessory and APX battery base are required, and follow the dynamic diagram to connect the APX battery system